This is a 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe LT, four-wheel drive. This Tahoe is a local trade-in. It runs and drives nicely. The interior and exterior are clean. There are no accidents recorded on the vehicle history report. The 18-inch Sumitomo Encounter tires are in next to new shape with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, 342 rear axle, towing package with integrated factory trailer brake. Features include luxury package, LT package, Sun, entertainment and destinations package, C71 package, Chevrolet MyLink infotainment with 8-inch screen, Bose sound, navigation, CD player, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, rear entertainment and rear parking camera, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, teen driver mode, safety alert driver's seat, and park assist monitor, leather seating with dual power heated seats in the front and heated second row seats, power sunroof, power rear lift gate with power fold down rear seats, dual zone climate control, heated steering wheel that has power tilt and telescoping with cruise control, OnStar with emergency crash dispatch, keyless entry with remote start. If you're looking for an SUV to handle every road condition and space for the whole family, look no further. This Tahoe will make the whole family happy.